I am Dr. Trupti Pai. I am an associate professor and pathologist working at Tata Memorial Center, Mumbai. So today I will be talking on what is the diagnostic technology and how it is changed over a period of time when pertinent to the lung cancer. So if we see like 20 years ago, if we saw a lung cancer patient with widespread metastasis, the survival was hardly 5 to 6 months. But now is the era that if you get such widespread lung cancer also, but you do adequate pathology testing and molecular testing, you will come across certain molecular targets, and for which there is a very well established targeted therapy available. Now the survival rates have increased to many years. So that is why it is very important to do adequate testing. Just don't let it go that cancer is already widespread. You have to do proper testing. So when it comes to testing and pathology, you can test on the solid tumor biopsy, you can do on blood, you can do on any other exfoliative like ascitic fluid, pleural fluid, bronchial lavage, any material you can use. And don't get affected or offended if sometimes you do biopsy and testing says that it is inadequate for further testing. You can again go for a repeat testing, because mind well, this is a very important testing, not just the cancer, but you need to do further testing like immunohistochemistry, you do FISH testing, you do next generation targeted panel testing, and you find out a proper molecular target, which is seen as more as 40 to 50% cases can have this kind of targets like EGFR, ALK, ROS, where you have a proper treatment and very good response to it. So even if your biopsy is done, initial treatment is done, still when on follow-up you see there is a progression or there is some increase in new lesions, again the doctor will ask you for a repeat biopsy. The reason being there is always a tendency to acquire new mutation gene rearrangement, and again when you do this adequate testings on any of the material like blood, ascitic fluid, pleural fluid, or a repeat biopsy, you might find new molecular targets for which again there are different drugs available which can prolong the survival of the patients. So it is very important to do adequate testing even when you are on treatment. So today I will be asking you to please join the Lung Connect, which is India's first lung cancer advocacy group. You know what I am asking, why I am asking you to join? Because no matter whatever a doctor tells to a patient or any relatives tells to a patient, but when you are a part of a group, when you are known to people who have gone through the same thing, it is very important that you understand, you are better receptive for such kind of patients, and it is in general good for a mental well-being as well, because a doctor will treat a patient, but it is not just the physical element but a mental well-being which has to be tackled. And when you have this availability of such good groups, so it is good to be a part of such group. And if you come across any other sufferer who is also going through the same phase in life, please spread the word and join this Lung Connect group.